Hi, my name's James Warren from OA Systems, and today we're going to have a look at how Power BI can extend your Dynamics 365 reporting capabilities. For those of you who aren't aware of Power BI, Microsoft have introduced this to the Office 365 platform. This not only gives you the ability to connect to a variety of data sources, but it can also create interrelated charting systems. And as you can see, you can add those charts, dashboards, and graphs to Dynamics 365. Power BI is fully capable for users to be able to build related charts and drill down all the way through to specific details. As you can see here, by selecting the leads area of the system, we come up with a series of different charts to give us an understanding of what's going on with our leads. But by selecting the trade show lead, you can see that all the other information we're looking at has either been recalculated or specifically highlighted to show how it relates to the information we've selected. While Power BI operates inside Dynamics 365 dashboards, there is also a whole area for you to configure these reports for yourself. And because Dynamics 365 is connected to your data source, you can actually ask natural language questions and get results. And as you can see, the system also suggests information that you might want to look at. If you're using your Dynamics instance with Microsoft Portals, you can now also access the Power BI charts through the web interface. Microsoft's cross-platform mobile app also allows you to access Power BI on the go. For more information about how Power BI can be leveraged with Dynamics 365, please contact me, James, at OA Systems.